destiny receives speed, direction, strength, and order. When prayer and partnership are directed, governed by Christ, so prayer without partnership can become personal fire without corporate structure. Firebrand. Even the Bible says we are co-laborer together with God. God won't do anything on earth outside the man. God cannot fulfill his agenda without the man. For him to demonstrate the gift of man and how important having men in your life at every junction of your life, how important it is, so crucial, he became a man. He did not die for our sin in the spirit. He died for our sin by first of all becoming what? A man. He became flesh. He is a spirit. But he cannot die as a spirit, because spirits don't die. So Jesus became man, lived as a man on earth to help men in need. So he is the first person that demonstrated how important the gift of men are. Praise God.